For this one, we have 5/6 divided by 2/7. In order to divide these fractions, we need to do keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep 5/6. We're going to change the division sign to multiplication, and we're going to flip 2/7 into its reciprocal of 7/2. Then all we need to do is multiply across. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 2 is 12. Then we need to see or we're going to divide to be able to get this improper fraction into a mixed number. So 12 can go into 35 2 times, give us 24. We end up with 11 left, and we're going to stop there. So that means 2 is our whole number. 11 is our numerator, and 12 is our denominator. So our answer should be 2 and 11/12.